Another product McAlpine's introduced a number of months ago now is a WHB-1 Trap for a wash hand basin and bathroom furniture. Again, like the spacesaver kits, actually utilise the room underneath the WC and bathroom units combined. This has a non-return valve with a silicone sealant directly right in it. When it flows, it opens up, but doesn't allow anything back. Now, one of the advantages of a valve product like this is that, again, I mentioned negative pressures and bottle traps and anti-siphon traps. This works on the same principle. So if you had negative pressure, for example, with a bath waste running away, it would not pull any seal. It would allow air to open in through the waste grating and balance out the system during discharge. That's a WHB-1, and it utilises all the space you require under your wash hand basin furniture installation. Thank you.